Hey guys, my name is Camille, and I am going to be going over and just showing y'all a screencast of my final website that I made for ELRC 4507. So I did mine basically on a master's of business administration. So I am pursuing that at the moment for school. That's what I'm aiming to graduate with by the time my educational career is complete. So I did mine on basically a roadmap on how to get there. I remember whenever I said I actually wanted, when I devoted myself and said that's exactly what I wanted to do, I didn't really know where to start, what to do, things like that. So I thought maybe that telling y'all my roadmap on how I did it and things I've learned along the way would be useful. So we're gonna start my homepage. This is just saying, hi there. This is my website. Helpful tips, tricks, advice on how to get your MBA, and just kind of gave a little tidbit about myself. So here's my bio page. I really gave my information. I'm a management major here at LSU. Then I said something about how, like, when I was growing up and how I became to want to do this. There's a lot of factors falling in place, so I just kind of gave my real actual story. Next, we go to my resources tab. So this is just 10 sites that I've used, and I gave a little explanation on each one. So to go and get accepted into an MBA program, you have to take the GRE. So I put the GRE site that gave tips and tricks, their direct test site. Also put UL Lafayette MBA program information page, because that's one of the places where I'm going to be applying to. And I just really put all the different links, job finders, Google Drive, Google Forms, Blogger, Twitter, different things that I've learned in this class, but also like Twitter, Blogger, Google Drive, Google Forms. I know one day, I mean, I'll use them every day as a student, but one day I will be using that in my career as a business administrator also. So that's just a bunch of the links and things, applications I like and that I use a lot as a student. Here's my teacher's choice page. So I'm not really gonna be a teacher, so I'll put Camp's Choice here. Um, Once again, it's just some more apps with some, not applications, but also platforms um, that I put also descriptions under them for what they are. So now we're gonna go to technology. So my digital story. I just completed this. I'm not gonna let the whole thing play, but basically,
So this can teach
learn
you what
about
it entails
digital story.
with several options starting my devotion to learn more about the business.
There's just some
They
little
must work for the program
parts about
until
it.
it is time for a person.
You could go and click the video. It'd be on YouTube. You could go and click the video and watch it later. I just want to give you a little idea of what it was. Okay, let's see. A mobile app. So I did mine on Kahoot. I really had no idea what Kahoot was. And here's like a little slideshow. I'll click through a few, just overview what it is, basics, price, size, accessibility, compatibility, classroom usage. So I actually did this one on Classroom, like by classroom perspective, because I just thought it would be fun because it was more of a teaching app. So maybe that would be more for the teachers to look at. But also, I mean, you could use Kahoot um, in any field actually. I gave a 5-minute link on how to work Kahoot, things like that. So if you want to check that out, you can. I gave a little overview of what it was. Then here is my personal learning education and personal learning network page. So I just told you what it was to find it, my sources and my image credit. I defined both of them, and then I talked about the differences. And then here is something I created over the whole semester. Basically, there's 3 different categories of blog curation and microblogs. So I just defined them here. I defined them, and then I gave examples here. If you click all these links, like curation, Pinterest, Diigo, and Feedly, these are 3 different types of curations. And microblogs, this is Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. And if you click these links, they'll bring you directly there. Then, as I went through the class, I also gave reflections on one of each of these examples. I gave reflections on them, just critiques, things I liked, things I didn't like, how I'd use them, praises, things like that. So next we're gonna go to website evaluations. This is so I did this one on Scholastic. Um, this once again I did it more on a teaching perspective, but it pretty much is just a teaching app. But I'm not going to be in the teaching field. You never know. But as of now, I don't think I will be. But if I ever choose to be, this would be the website sources I would use because it's very useful. I really enjoyed learning about them. It was just interesting. I think that the world's becoming more techy every day, so it's not bad to know more technology usage things. All right, and my evaluation will also be going right here. So, and on the bottom, I also put TechBlog, Contact, Last Revised, things like that. But yeah, so thank you for checking out my site with me, and I will see y'all later. Bye.